add semolina. Oh, hello.
I won't kill you. You'll still be alive, but then.
So,
Come on.
you add semolina to the actual flour, like mix.
So we actually make the pasta, and it will give it like structure and actually like texture. It will actually enhance the fucking quality of the dish overall. In terms of sauce, you can actually use quite a basic sauce like bolognese. But like, it's very good to add things like keep more Italian and do not forget onions and mushrooms. Those are very key defining qualities. And the interesting thing is to balance out the vinegar, the sourness of the vinegar in the bolognese sauce, we need to add some carrots, by the way. Normally people add brown sugar, but like you generally like look at my real, like design it already very unhealthy meal in general. So by adding carrots, you enhance the flavour, but also add a sweet to it. Taste good. A lot of people do tend to forget like half of the cheese sauce is fish milk, which is rock sauce that is. Oh, okay. It's made up of it's like a butter mixture with milk. It's not actually to use as a flavor enhancer, but given the healthier better. Yeah, do not forget your fucking more herb in this. Italian style is not so much actually spice mixture, it's more the herb mixture like oregano, basil, parsley, thyme, and give a bit of spice flavour to it addition. And do not forget once you take it out, you take it out and leave it for 30 minutes. A minimum of 30 minutes.
Please allow the instructions to properly form and together in actual shape. Because if you take it right out of the oven, like you begin like slicing. Part because of like the fingers are not going to get hard. You can very often find this an example of this type of stuff with.
Oh, you can be part of this.
Okay, no, you're rubbish.
Nah.
So
I don't want to go high.
I have revived you.
Anyway, carrying on.
Is he just...
When we all work together and start talking about food, it adds a whole other layer of like philosophy to this. See? Look, now you can get to hear it too.
I find it incredibly funny that you're unironically telling us shit about cooking.
Hey,
why not?
I'm enjoying it.
I mean, no, good shit.
Alright, okay. Does anyone have any questions about anything specific? Is
yes.
like topic you guys want to talk about?
Master, might I ask where you got your education?
I hear lots of shit.
I'm currently studying to be a chef.
Epic.
I can confirm. Anyway, let's do a new topic on. Alright, let's start some topics, and I'll happily answer some. At least to the best of my ability. Wait, what should I say? Thanks for... Yeah, we can't have everyone talking at the same time. One at a time. There's a bunch of people with the nuclear guys. Okay, so what would proceed to be if some dumbass was trying to refuel the fucking, one of those ladder things, and then fucking it blew up in his face? And like a dumbass, like, what would do? Funny? You think that's fucking funny, don't you? Yeah. You think that's so fucking funny, don't you? No, the thing is, that fucking happened to me in real life. Yeah, I was at work and filling up a blowtorch, and there was a gas leak, and then when I turned the blowtorch on, it fucking put my face. It was neat. Oh, no. It was neat, it was fucking neat. It happened like, I think it was went down to me. Yeah, well, yeah, it's whack. Alright, okay, how do you guys want to feel about puff pastry? You guys know about puff pastry? That's a very, it's often used as, I don't know. It's a very, very key part of... What's your opinion on sweet rolls? Like, how do you make those, you know? Okay, yeah, I won't lie, I haven't ever made a sweet roll, so, wait, no, actually, I have once. Personally, they ain't my favourite.
I'm not so much of a sweet person. I love that savoury. You know what I mean? Yeah. But that's just my general taste, and I understand that people have different tastes in that sense.
You are now my fourth Billy.
I do admit that when cooking a sweet roll, there is like consideration of the amount of sugar you use.
Alright, boy. Yo, the facility crashed. Oh, facility
Yeah, thank you.
I'm still in the loading screen. I'm like staring at like the
Oh yeah. Good day, mate.
So I can hear cunts walking around too.
Alright, so who can hear? Like, can you hear your voice?
I'm gonna disconnect and reconnect.
No!
How many people are stuck in the loading screen?
It's driving me mad.
I don't know.
Yeah, Poland. He had
Apparently
that
there's
bug.
people still in
not
it, and
us.
I can hear, and I was hearing them.
Yeah.
So people were wanting to hear about the Asian style noodles and what separates them from a standard pasta noodle, isn't it?
Yes,
That's
please.
what I wanted.
Yeah.
So what generally the pasta style noodles from Asian style noodles is baked baking soda, like actually getting some baking soda, chucking it on a fucking pan and just throwing that shit in the oven. Sorry?
Is that the only difference?
It's how you make ramen noodles. It's
Yeah.
like that's the standard. Like that's why when you say noodles, I'm thinking more ramen noodles because I don't fully understand. Because what it actually does is it allows it to have a lot more of a like structural integrity that stays together when thrown around in heat. Because if you've ever made carbonara, you can see how much there like easily it just falls apart. Like just as soon as you chuck it into a hot pan, it just begins to fall apart and like break up. But that's the general point of pasta, is it's meant to be quite easy to eat. And if you've had noodles, it's better for absorbing rather than being how pastas don't as absorb so much as coat.
So the kitchen show, we talk about differences in noodles.
Run for it!
We might want to get elevated.
Invincibility!
Buenos dias. Are you gonna be nice, or are you going to try and consume?
I reckon it's gonna be the latter, mate. Good doggos.
Hey Griff, do you ever wonder why we're here?
Me?
Do you want me or yeah?
To fuck and make more.
To enjoy life to the fullest.